So before I even start to talk about what they're wearing, yes, I know that this looks very masculine. It's because I've made the shoulders too wide, but let's not get down to that because that was upsetting that it looks that bad. But anyway, so in this, she is wearing a black plain dress with a collar. The collar just stands out to me because it just added a bit more depth to what she was wearing. Um, yeah, but she wasn't wearing any tights. She didn't have this belt, and I think it would really suit just a little bit of a belt. I'm not sure. I think it depends on what season we were taking our photos in, depending on whether she wears this, wears any tights. Yeah, I just it's very dark. That's my only issue, and I really want to have a dark background, so I'm not sure how good this whole idea would be. Yes, I'm thinking about that one. Now, this one I was very happy with, and I'm very glad that I saw it. She was basically wearing this marbled effect top, which looked stunning, and it had different shades of browns and creams, and it looked really nice. She was wearing some wide-legged black trousers as well, which did look really nice. I think that to finish it off, it would be lovely if she was wearing a necklace, but that's just being really nitty-picky. I really love how casual and yet dressed up at the same time she looked. Yeah, I think it looked really nice, this.